Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your profile name on Zomato account. So first we're going to go to the Zomato app. You guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then once you're here, you're going to click on your profile section on the top right corner. Then once you're here, you're going to click on your profile. Then as you can see under the name section, you guys can edit it. You guys can change your profile name to whatever you want. Then once you're done, you're going to click on Update Profile. So as you can see, we've changed our profile name successfully. So that's how you do it. It's an easy process. We also have different videos in our how to tutorial playlist. Make sure to check them out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.